Hey y'all, in this tutorial I will show you how to draw this simple chocolate fondant using one layer and one brush only. Challenge accepted. So let's go ahead and import our reference photo by clicking Actions, Canvas, turn on Drawing Guide, click Image and import your photo. The one and only brush that we'll be using in this tutorial is called the Blackburn and is located in the drawing category. So we are going to start off with the very first color on my color palette, and by the way, this is what my color palette looks like, and you can either screenshot it and color pick each color, or you can just download the reference picture and use the color picking tool to select each color individually. So as you can see, I decided to start off with this beige color as our main color to draw the main shape of our dessert, and we're going to draw an oval. Hold down on the screen to make it snap into a perfect shape. Now we are going to work our way through. Let's just kind of sketch out the sides to create a nice outline. And now that we kind of have an outline of our fondant, we are going to add the liquidy chocolate using this pretty dark color, but just don't use the black color, not yet. Okay guys, and now for the raspberries, we're going to draw a couple of blobs on top, and remember, we are still using the Blackburn brush. This is going to be the one and only brush we use in this video, in this little tutorial. And we're going to draw 3 to 4 on the bottom. I will go with 3. And for the raspberry jam dripping down, or syrup, whatever you want to call it, make sure to use a slightly darker or lighter color. Okay, now that we have all of our basic colors in, we can start adding shadows, highlights, and texture to our little cake. So this is where the light hits, so we're going to make this area a bit lighter. And this area over here will be the darkest, by the way. As you can see, this area over here, and then this blob over here will be literally white. And I guess make sure to pay attention to your reference picture and select the right colors and watch where you're putting them. And a pretty cool tip when blending colors is to select the same Blackburn brush as your smudge tool and blend the colors in a bit, and then select that color that you have just created and use it to put it in between the two colors to create a smoother gradient. To add some texture, let's add some blobs over here. Just don't add too much, you know. So let's add quite a few right here. And then a little bit right below our raspberries. Okay, now it is just the right time to take care of our chocolate filling, so we will really need to show this glossy texture, and this brush isn't the best for this task, but we are going to stick to our challenge, and we're just gonna play around with this opacity to make sure that our gradients are pretty smooth and nice. As you can see, I finished with all of its main colors, and now I'm just going to blend the colors in. And for this task, I do not recommend you use the actual smudge tool. Just keep adding more colors until the gradient looks pretty good when you zoom out. Now we're on to the next side, and I really do hope that you kind of got the hang of it, you know. Just don't overthink and truly have fun. Now we're on to the raspberry, so we're going to start off with adding your shadows, then the highlights, and then we are going to use a slightly lighter color to add all of its little bumps. And as you can see on the reference picture, they are really glossy, so we can just use the same black burnt brush but change its opacity to like 50-ish or maybe 75-ish, and then just go over with a white color to add some of its glossiness, you know. this challenge is complete. One layer, one brush, and not even gonna lie, I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel to not miss any tips, tricks, and tutorials. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!